Well, right here is a honeyberry that I've layered, and what I did was I cut each of these branches just a little bit, just to rough the bark up basically, and then I buried it with this compost. And the idea was to see if it'll root. I'd never done honeyberries before, so I wasn't sure. So I did scratch this up a little bit, and sure enough I see roots here. Come down here, there's a root right here. Oh, that the whole thing is roots right there, that whole deal. This one here, I'm definitely going to cut this off right here. Yeah, there it is, right there. There is plant number 1. Let's see what we can dig up here. This one here is a branch that I buried and nothing rooted on it, but this one here definitely has. Yeah, this rooted all the way along the line. So here is plant number 2. Might be able to do a number 3 on it. Might be able to cut it right there. I think that's what we're going to do. Okay, so here's 2 and here's 3. Guess I'm doing the root. I guess that's it. This root's coming out of here somewhere. Yeah, no, we're gonna have more. This one broke off, so oh, that's got roots. So that's number 4. We'll leave that whole thing intact. I don't know. We got a nice root system with 2 branches coming out of it. You can see here's a branch right here, and here's a branch. So there's 2 branches. And if I cut that right in the middle, I got roots for both of them. 3, 4, 5. What's this right here? Definitely that's a plant. Six. So, I think that's what we're going to go with. 6. We'll leave this honey plant. I was going to dig it out, and now I decided I'm just going to leave it in there. These 2 look pretty nice. Get this mounted back up over to those roots. Alright, all we did was we buried all the branches, the branching of that honeyberry plant, and scuffed up the branches, just cut into the bark just a little bit where we buried it. And now we turned it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 honeyberry plants. One of these are really starting to bud already, see that? So let's not let these dry out too much. Let's get them in a garden bed for nursing. Right here is where I transplanted the little honeyberries. They're in front of a couple of bush cherries. So we'll find out how this combination does. There's also blackberries kind of in the background, and blueberries on the other side of the fence. That sounds like a guild and a half. Okay, that is this video.